Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup for data on LAGENIO Rhino 1 Pro. Okay, to create a backup of our data, we gotta open up the settings, then scroll all the way down, go to System, find Backup, and when it comes to the backup, we are going to create it thanks to our Google account. It will be simply a Google One backup. So everything will be stored in the cloud of our Google account. Now, down below we have the backup details. We gotta make sure that everything is enabled. In my case, I gotta turn on photos and videos. I gotta enable the checkbox right in here. Click on Let's Go. And we don't need to allow for notifications. Now we can go back actually. It's turned on. And same thing with other device data, of course. It needs to be enabled. Down below, we have our Google account that we are currently signed into. And it is really important that you cannot forget your Google account, because if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account. Down below, we have the backup details. You can take a look. Currently, it says no data backup because I didn't create it yet. And now go back and hit this green button to start. I also gotta confirm by drawing my screen lock. And now the process will begin. Okay, in here I should take a look. A small circle has appeared and it's slowly fulfilling. Basically, when it disappears, it usually means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that will say that our data has been successfully backupped. But now we gotta keep waiting. Okay, the backup has been successfully created. If you click on all the device data, you can see what things has been backupped. In my case, it says no data backup under messages and call history, because simply I don't have any call history or messages on this device, so that is why it says no data backup. But everything worked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.